All right, so we just rolled up to our buddy's shop. This is Steph with Ace Performance Engines in Torrance, California. I might want to give him a follow. He's a great engine builder. But right behind me, if you can see there, he's doing a little wheel swap on his Oldsmobile. Let's go take a look real quick. Yes, I like the look. I really do. Hey, what's up, guys? So this is episode 2 for the Jeep build. As you can see, we're at Ace Performance Engines. Look at, he's back there. Look at Steph, he's back there. Anyway, these guys have been so cool. They're letting us kind of use the shop a little bit to break down Blake's new LS for the Jeep. So we're gonna, I think he's pulling off the heads today, but not quite sure, but we'll walk over there and see what he's up to. All right, so we're here. He kind of gave us a little spot in the back here. He's doing some work. We're gonna leave him alone. The mastermind over here. So, Blake, what's going down today?
Steph is coaching me through as he works on other motors and does amazing things. Taking the heads off this, and I think we're gonna take it to Velio's machine shop. But they're closing in a month, so we're gonna have to figure out if we can squeeze it in on their project list. But basically just gonna re-clean the heads, and then we're gonna throw a brand Thule cam in it, the same one that Gasratz has in this truck. And that one requires no springs or anything, but it makes it sound pretty wicked, so that's the plan, and we're rolling with it.
All right, well, I will let you work.
I'm really sick about the music thing.
It's so dumb, dude.
I think they would,
It's like you can listen to anything on Spotify nowadays. Why?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Hey, Steph. I have to ask you, what are you actually doing over there? I know you're working, but I had to interrupt.
So, this is a 370 cubic inch turbo motor that I'm building. Just got the block back from the machine shop. Been line honed, bored, decked. I'm just gonna take the caps off, throw the bearings in and see what the clearances are coming out to, and start getting everything ready for assemble, really, if all clearances come out okay.
That's nice.
Ooh.
All right, so you got one side off, right?
Yeah, take a look. It looks healthy.
Holy Okay, I gotta do this for the film. I don't want to put my finger on there. You can...
Here, let me do it.
Yeah.
Look how gross this is.
Oh my God.
This is why we're resurfacing the heads, right, Steph?
Holy crap. Someone did not change the oil. Ever?
I don't know.
I don't know.
When was the last
Wow.
time this thing ran?
I don't know, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make this thing run.
Yeah.
Wow. I guess that's a good tech tip.
Change oil.
Change your oil. That's a really good tech tip. So, yeah, stay tuned. Jesus. I
Where's
don't
that
know,
one
but
Yeah, Pennsylvania.
so if you guys are watching this, which you are, Leave a little comment of what you think here. You can see the sludge, all the crap that's built up in there over time. Damn.
And Arnold, if you're watching, thanks a lot.
We won't drop his name, but holy smokes.
It's
So, I mean,
It's Arnold.
Steph, you've seen a lot of motors, right?
A lot of second-hand motors like this, yeah.
But that's probably the first?
That's the first time I've seen one clogged up like that.
Yeah. Well, the good thing is that it's all fixable. We'll clean this thing up.
You know what's funny is this will probably still run great.
Oh, just like this? I'm sure it'll run. Yeah, heck yeah. We got another 100,000 miles on this sucker.
Evenly.
Yeah, so it comes up.
I'll show you.
Freaking Arnold, dude.
I'll make sure he watches it. So. Like, don't send me any more of this.
Tell him you destroyed this little boy's dream.
Or you can put it in the toolbox if you put the rags down.
We haven't seen it yet, but we're just going by their facial expression.
It's a
Ooh,
5.3.
5.3?
Yeah.
I can come around here and take a peek. Smells good.
Intake.
Oh.
You just shit the whole thing.
At this point, huh?
So we pulled the head off. You're kind of getting the first looks at what's inside here. Steph is not thoroughly pleased, but it's still salvageable. I think we just clean this up a little bit. And what do you think? We should be good to go?
Burnouts.
We'll be doing burnouts very soon.
By Monday.
By Monday. Well, I don't think so, but
Oh, cool.
let's put those on the floor.
Just put those right there. I forgot about them because I couldn't even see them. I don't think I need
I've got a label from them.
Would you use it or no? Just buy the stock. Or buy the...
I would just buy them if they look like they go back.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Ah.
Anyway,
Let us use the shop anymore.
Wanker. I was just the music
they
stuff.
called me a wanker.
I was like, must be video time for music stuff.
Well, we pulled it apart. Blake pulled it apart with the assistance of Steph.
I look like an angel, got a hoop on my head.
See a little hoop? Where's the horns? There should be horns. Oh, no, in the back. Anyway, not thoroughly excited about what's inside, but it's definitely doable. So we're gonna take the heads, get them clean,
Get them cleaned.
decked,
Decked.
clean all the other with it,
Yeah.
and then
Cam.
Clean everything from the block.
Oh yeah, we really got to clean the block. So anyway, huge shout out again to Steph with Ace Performance. Check out their website. Give him a call if you need something done. Dude knows what he's doing. So for now.
Just keep in mind, we're us two. Are
Oh
doing
yeah.
This here.
This has nothing to do with.
This-
This has nothing to do with. Yeah, he's got some nice stuff over here, as you can see. Yeah, we got this ratty build here out of a junkyard.
Yeah.
So he wants nothing to do with us, but cool dude. Anyway, stay tuned. If you have any comments about what's going down inside of there, in that galley right there, let us know.